today that I am the boss of Gele.
You are the boss of Gele?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah, let's start.
Dead baby.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. My people, this my video where my husband tell me this Gele head wrap. The full video with explanation. My husband carry me sit down, he tie me this head tie. Oh boy, my people, in case you are there, this one is a challenge. I already have a video. Many people say don't put it on social media. It's a challenge for all the men over there. Please, I want to see your picture. I want to see your video. The picture where you take your wife, Gele. Now challenge for the men. Men, it's your turn. It's your turn. If you want to know how he achieved this style, it's on my YouTube. Yes, so with explanation as well on my Facebook. Okay, let me leave the comment section for you. Oh yeah, muna send on a picture and on a video. Una te do now. Oh men, it's your turn. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video.
So guys, what do you think?
Hey, please, I want to leave the comment section for my people. So we are going to leave the comment section for them to vote.
So what do you think, guys?
Who is the boss of Gele?
Yes.
If not dead beauty or dead beauty husband, who is the boss?
I am the boss.
So we are going to see on the comment section. We are going to see the boss.
This one look very nice.
Okay, do you want me to show them the back? Oh my God.
Yes, you can show them the back.
This is the back.
Yes, so men, this is a big challenge. Send me your picture, send me your video, the one you achieve. Bye.
I want to